Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change country on Amazon. Here are the step-by-step instructions on how to change your country on the Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Amazon account. So open your web browser and go to amazon.com. And once you get into the website, sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of options to have an exciting shopping time on Amazon. Now that we're here, head over to the top right corner of the homepage. At the top right corner of the homepage, hover over to Account and a List to open a drop-down menu. Now in here, you have a couple of features, but you necessarily, like in the previous interface, you would have found an option that says manage your content and devices, and once you click on it, then you should be able to change your country from there. But this is an updated interface, so it's much easier to change your country once you click here. So just hover over the country and region, the country and language. There's a country flag and language for attached to it, and then you have this drop down menu. Now go ahead and click on change country and region, and that's going to open you up to this web or to this page. Now here it says websites, that's a country and region. Select your preferred country/region website, and over here you have this drop down button. Click on that and you have a wide array of countries that you can choose from. Now you have Canada, China, Egypt, you have France, Germany, you have India, Italy, Japan, you have Mexico, all the way down to the United States. So all you need to do is to select the country of choice, and once you select your country of choice, the next thing you need to do is to click on Go to Website. Now, once you click on the Go to Website button, that's it. You will see a confirmation message that your country/region has been successfully updated. Now, certain content or products might change according to the region you are switching to. Of course, after following these steps, your Amazon accounts will be set to the new country or region. You should know that changing the country or region you shop from may affect factors including price, shipping options, and product availability. Now, go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.